Now I am going to create the APK file, which is the final step of this process. So to create a APK file, you have to click on build option, and here you have to click on generate signed bundle APK. Select here APK, next. From here we have to create a new, right? Click on create new. Here we have to choose a path where we want to store our key. This is the important key, right? If you don't have this key, you cannot make any update. You cannot upload more versions of your app on Play Store. So you have to put it in a place which you can easily remember. Otherwise you will not be able to upload more versions of your app on Play Store. I am going to create a new folder here with the name APK key, right? And I have choose this path. I will give it a name logo key. Now click on OK. From here give it a password. Give it a password that you can easily remember. Now click on OK. Here I will give my first name and last name, and click on OK. Now you can see here is the key store path. It is generated, and here is our key store password. Now click on next, and from here select both option, jar signature, full APK signature, and here click on release option, right? We want to make it a final release. Now click on finish. It will take some time and APK will be generated. No matching client found for package com.holysoft.cardmaker. What does that mean? No matching client found for the package name. Let me search it on Google. What is the issue? Let me look at the documentation also. Maybe we have forgot some steps. I am going to delete these two files, and let's see if I face the same issue again. Here is a file with the name Google Services.json. In this file you can see package name is wrong, right? com.businesscard logo maker.photo, this is a wrong name. Actually they have included a Firebase facility, but they have not included that in our documentation. I don't know why. So we have to create a Firebase project for it, like I done in the last app. Let's create, go to your Firebase account. Here is a link, console.firebase.google.com, and here in project overview you will be on this page. Here click on add app. We want to add another app, and from here select Android. Android package name. What is our package name? My Android app. Okay, we have to copy our package name from here. Go to manifest file, in src main there is this file called manifest file. Inside this we have a package name. You can see this is a package name. Copy this one and paste it here. Now put your Android app name, Advanced Logo Maker. This is our Android app, and click on register app. Next we have to download this file, Google Services.json. We have to put it on our desktop. There is also another file which I have downloaded for my last app. I will delete this file and I will save this file. Now I will upload this file here. Here is our Google Services.json file. Right click on it and check whether there is a option for replace. We will open this file in a file manager. We can copy the path from here. Here is a copy path, copy absolute path. Now we go to your file manager from here, paste your copy path here, and this is the place where our google.json file resides. You can see here is a Google services file, right? So we have to bring the file which we have recently downloaded. This is the file. Copy it from here and paste it here. Replace the file in the destination. Yes, replace the previous file. Now it is replaced. We will check it in our Android Studio here, whether it is updated or not. So here you can see this is the com.holysouth.cardmaker. This is our Google services file, and everything is updated, right? So let's build our application again. Create on rebuild the project. Click on rebuild so that if there is any error, it will point out that there is a problem in your app and we need to fix it. This will take some time. I will pause the video. While building the project, I got this error: 40 is incompatible with the attribute layout _ margin top, and this is in this file business _ logo.xml. So go to inside here in a res folder, resource folder, and here is a layout, and here is a business logo.xml. So let's see what is our mistake here. Go to the code section. Here let's see, scroll to the down. Now here you can see we have put just 40. However, we need to put here DP with 40 also, because DP is a dimension attribute, like we use pixel in web designing, and in this case we have to use DP in Android app development. Now let's check other file also whether we have put DP with it or not, and go to the code section, scroll to the bottom, and here you can see we have put DP with it. Now let's rebuild it again. Click on rebuild. It will tell us if there is still any error in your app or not. It will take some time. Here you can see a build is successful and there is no error, so it means everything is perfect. Now Now we have to generate an APK again. So go to the build option and here click on generate sign bundle APK. Select APK. Next, the path is already chosen because we have already created a key for our for this application, and here is the key store password. Make sure you remember it. I already remember it, so I will put the same password again and click on next. I want a release version, not a debug version, so I will click on finish. This will take some time, and when our release is ready, then I will show you. Our APK file is generated now. Here you can see there are some warnings, but build is successful. So click on this option, generate APK file. Click on this. Here is the locate option, so it will bring us to the location where our release is stored. So here you can see this is an APK file. You have to transfer this file to your mobile, Android mobile, and you can install it on your device and test it before you put it on Play Store. So I will do the same. I will first transfer it to my mobile through data cable, and I will install it on my Android, and then after checking, I will put it on Play Store.